Hey creator, Justin here. Today I'm going to show you how to connect a domain name to your Notion account and create a Notion site. Let's take a look at my screen and dive right in. So here we have my screen and I've got my Notion application opened up. You'll need to have the domain add-on, which is currently $10 a month per domain in Notion for this to work properly. So you'll go up to the top left of your account or your page in the sidebar where you see your name of the workspace that you're in. You're going to click on that and then you're going to scroll down to settings and then press settings, and that's going to open up all of your panels here. And then under workspace on the left sidebar of this panel is sites. You're going to click on sites and that's going to take you to your domains page right here. And then you'll hit this blue button in the top right that says new domain name. And here it'll allow you to create a new Notion site domain name, or you can connect an existing domain name. You'll select custom domain, and then of course that's going to add $10 to your plan. You'll hit continue and it'll bill you, and you'll be able to add a domain name to your Notion sites right here. And then it looks like this. After you add it in, it's going to ask you to enter some credentials onto your DNS, and this is what this will look like. You'll copy those fields over, you'll go to your website DNS settings and enter in that subdomain and enter in all of the details there to verify that you own that domain name, and then you'll give it about 10 minutes to update. Now keep in mind, when you do add a Notion domain name, it can only be a subdomain. So a subdomain, the HQ part of this is the subdomain, and the main domain is visionarypass.com, and then the subdomain is the HQ. So you're not able to have the root domain name, so you're not able to have just visionarypass.com as a Notion site. You have to have something in front of visionarypass.com or something in front of your domain. Say yours is bob.com, you have to have hello.bob.com or hi.bob.com and then link that to a Notion page. So Notion sites currently only works with subdomains. It does not work with the actual domain itself. So if you buy helloworld.com, you're going to have to create a subdomain. You're going to have to put something in front of helloworld.com like contact.helloworld.com or careers.helloworld.com. You're going to have to put a word in front of that domain name and then link that to your Notion site, because Notion site does not support the root domain name by default. So once you've entered in all of those details on your website DNS settings, you'll give it some time. This will switch from pending to live, and then you'll be able to open up. You can click on these this URL here and open up your settings. So you can see this is the Visionary Pass HQ page. I can type hello. And then I can see that this page is live on hq.visionarypass.com because I've paired that domain name to this page. And then I can click view site, open it up here, and it opens up and it starts to load. And the good news here is anytime I update that Notion page inside of the Notion app, it'll automatically update right here live on the website. It's got really great syncing and really great design, because you see what you get. Whatever you put on your Notion page and the application itself is what you will see right here on the Notion website. So you can see here we are at hq.visionarypass.com and we've got that hello I just typed and it says Visionary Pass HQ. And just like that, we have successfully added a domain name to Notion.